Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install a quick release. This is, well, for pretty much any aftermarket steering wheel. They come universal. You see all the holes right here? That's for a standard, like if you have a 350 millimeter, or there's other ones I think like 300 millimeters. So this is the one that fits all of them. So what's gonna take the most is to get all the little bolts. So you gotta take first all of them, of course. This is like a little Allen key. So let me just remove this and I'll just show you. Actually, you just gotta remove this and put this underneath. I'll show you. Okay, once you successfully take all the bolts, now you just gotta remove the wheel. They send you this part right here that has to adapt here. It doesn't go like this, it's go like this. And now you just gotta put the bolts that you have with your steering wheel, and you just put this one first. This is the hub from NRG. So that was $120. I have it on the other video about the steering wheel. So let me just put this and then I'll show you what to do with the wheel and the other part of the quick release. Okay, now once you're done with this, putting this, now you have to attach this part to the wheel like this. Just gotta center it like really good. Pretty much it doesn't really matter how you do it, as long as you can attach it. Let me just put this. Pretty much just gotta put screws right here, all around here, and then it just attaches to this piece over here. I'll show you. So after you finish putting all the bolts for the quick release, look, that's all you gotta do. Straight. Put it right here. Look, you only gotta do this. If it's not lined up, just move, just twist it. Like if this one's right here, just twist it one more over here, just to see where you can line it up. Just put it back, and that's it. So that was everything for the video. But look, the coolest thing about having quick release is that you can just like check out your wheel, put it in and out. Quick release, bro.